Have you ever wondered, what is Medical Qigong? And in Medical Qigong, what is the medicine? I'm Dr. Roger Jahnke, and I'm the director of the Institute of Integral Qigong and Tai Chi, and I'm inviting you to a free online session where we will be discussing this topic and its benefits. Amazingly, the ancient Chinese figured this out thousands of years ago, what we in our own culture are only figuring out now about wellness. And so we'll be using Qigong as a method to be able to unleash our natural well-being, immune system, neurotransmitters, and all the other aspects of function. And I'll be leading you in a medical Qigong practice called cleansing the Qi field. You will have an immediate sense of the medicine within. Join me.